Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, I guess all are rocking at your home. This is an fiction. Let's do today was problem based on the three overlapping sets. So before this video, I have made uh, how to derive the formula of three intersecting sets if we have three overlapping sets. Now today I will tell you how to crack down the question was problem or Bow problem based on three overlapping sets. Okay, so one example I've taken here: in a Soviet 750 tourists arrived in Nepal. 450 preferred good tracking, 300 rafting, 250 preferred for a safari, and 30 preferred none of these activities. If 150 preferred trekking and rafting, 90 preferred trekking and safari, 75 preferred rafting and safari, how many of them prefer all of these activities? And show the above information in a Venn diagram. I guess before this video, I have done how to show the Venn diagram, how to fill up the data in a Venn diagram. Okay, today also you will know. So let's start. Okay, how to start? Okay, this type of question. So if firstly, okay, see, look here. See here, uh, for 750 tourists arrived in Nepal. Total 750 we have. 450 prefer to go trekking, and 350 for rafting, and 250 prefer for safari. Look at here. Let me show. But look at here. For 750 tourists who arrived in Nepal, 750 total, 450 prefer to go on trekking. So trekking, 350 prefer for rafting, and 250 prefer for a safari. Look at here. And 30, none of these, okay, none of these. So this will be your complement in terms of sets. 150 prefer for trekking and rafting, and 90 trekking and safari, 75 prefer rafting and safari. How many of them prefer all these activities? This means we need to find out intersection, so the information in a Venn diagram. Okay, so I guess okay you understood. Okay, let's start. Um, so first, how to start? Here we go. With this word, let we need to suppose capital letters. So either you can suppose A and B and C. Okay, so we will get here prefer to go tracking, rafting here, tracking, tracking, rafting, and for safari. So for tracking T and rafting R for safari, if we can suppose, okay, right? No problem, it doesn't matter. Okay, 450 prefer to go tracking. Let T, let T or tracking R capital letter you need to suppose, and F for safari. Okay, and you know the number of, sorry, number not okay here, sets, okay, sets of tourists who prefer to go tracking or rafting and forest safari respectively, or respectively. Then we need to write down the data. Then we need to data. So that होगी total होगी 750 total होगी. Here n of u total is represented by n of u. N of u we have 750 or 750, and then okay, n of okay, n of t, n of t we have 750, n of t of 450, tracking 450. So very carefully, mm, n of your 300 preferred rating, also n of r, cardinal number for r here. Okay, is equal to, we have 300, and next one is 250 paper for Safari, n of OKF for Safari. For Safari we have 250. Okay, for Safari 250, and 30 preferred none of these activities complement. Okay, so we can write on n of okay, uh, whole complement, literally A union B union or C, whole complement. Okay, okay, and see here. Okay, whole complement. We have 30 means 30 again. None of this, and next okay, 30 paper none of these activity, 150 paper tracking. Okay, n of a n of a intersection. So see, let me find out the symbols for this. So we need the intersection sign here insert. Okay, intersection B, intersection B is equal to, we have, sorry, intersection B not okay. Instead of A, we have a 150 preferred tracking. So here we need to T tracking, and here, and tracking, and 150 tracking and drafting R. We have to take okay R here. So 150 tracking and drafting. Here also I need to correct here T, because we have taken T R and F. Okay, and F. Okay, so okay, and then N of T intersection 150 preferred tracking and drafting. See very carefully. So 90 preferred tracking in Safari, for a Safari tracking, or T. I'm copying this sign. T and F for a Safari is equal to, we have 150 90 preferred tracking in Safari. Okay, so 90 you may write down here 90 or 90. Then so again still we are writing data. Then N of okay, T intersection F here, 90 tracking, 75 preferred rafting and safari. Rafting and safari, safari, or rafting and safari forest. So here we need to give forest safari, not as we have supposed. Okay, F, okay. Forest safari, 75. 75 preferred rafting and forest safari. So once again, look at here. Let's see. 750 total, 750 tourist. Okay. Uh, 450 prefer to go tracking. Okay, 450. 300 prefer rafting, 300 rafting, and 250 prefer forest safari, 250 forest safari, and 30 prefer none of these activity means complement. Okay, done. 150 prefer tracking and rafting, 150 tracking and rafting, common, and 90 prefer tracking and safari, forest safari 90, and 75 prefer rafting and forest safari. So rafting and forest safari 75. Okay, then done. How many of them prefer all of these activities? We need to find out. Okay, actually, what we want to find out. Okay, we want to find out. Okay, here. So see, we want to find out. Okay, T intersection T intersection R intersection or F is equal to your question mark, right? Question we want to find out, okay, this one, and thereafter, okay, we'll show in a Venn diagram. Okay, so let's move. How to first of all, okay, we have not to draw the Venn diagram because second part is to draw the Venn diagram. So firstly, we have to find out the how many of these. So okay, we will use the formula as we know, okay, or we know, we'll use formula n of okay, small n, n of year is equal to n of u is equal to, so all right, and then okay, we write down okay formula here n of d. So just I'm copying, okay, so then, so I'll adjust, okay, see how to, okay, how I'll adjust, okay, so copy it, and then here I'm going to paste, okay, okay, so and a few, okay, now I'll, so I don't need, okay, this one, and I'm going to write down formula, so it will be easy to me to write down, and this also I don't need, okay, here we need, okay, plus, sorry, and plus sign, and n of r, so as we know the formula, and plus sign, and so you know that this one, okay, here also, okay, okay, n of t, n of r, n of, okay, this one is okay, got here, and minus t intersection here. So I'm going to write down the formula, k minus plus so n of t plus n of r plus n of f minus this minus tr and tf, okay, and minus n of r intersection f plus this, and we need, okay, plus, and plus complement, right? So this much only, okay, we need to copy, okay, copy, and here paste. So it's easy way to write on the formula, and okay, and here this one, and we'll shift, okay. Mm, Okay, so all right. So see, okay, this is the formula, and or now you have to fill up the values. And now for you, 750, we have 750 is equal to and of t 450, 450 so is equal to, yeah 450 is equal to and plus 450 300 plus okay 250. Yes, 250 plus no plus not okay now okay now minus minus 2 okay plus 250 minus this we have a minus 150, this value of this one 150 150 uh, n of t intersection f t intersection f for 90. Okay, here minus 90 r intersection minus 75 minus 75. Okay, and the plus plus here you can suppose x, it doesn't matter, okay, or simply you can write down this one, okay, and so copy and here simply paste, but you have to write on the same thing, this one, and plus value for this one is a 30, so value of this is a 30. Okay, so 30. Okay, and now simple calculation we have to do, simple calculation, or 750 is equal to now you can use calculator, I'm also using calculator. Okay, so using calculator, 450 plus 300 and plus 250 minus 150 minus 90 minus 75, okay, plus 30, you get 7. Okay, here 7 total calculation 715 uh, plus okay 715 plus and this one, okay, here. So I think okay already I've copied, okay, so directly I'm just so please okay, and or is equal to or 750 minus 15, okay, 35, okay, 35, so 35. So actually what is our question, okay, how many of them prefer, okay, all of these activities, so 35. Okay, now so we can write down answer, okay, so 35, 35 of them prefer all of these activities, all of these activities. Okay, so next, okay, next work is to draw the diagram, okay. Now in Venn diagram, okay, or Venn diagram, in Venn diagram, or you can write down, okay, representing in Venn diagram, in Venn diagram, see how to, okay, in Venn diagram, no, one. or 450, just uh, I'm copying diagram, sorry, just okay, data. It will be easy to make Venn diagram, otherwise you have not to copy. Look at here, we have got 35 and intersection. Intersection already we have got 35, okay, 35. So all that is okay, all information we have now. Now we can draw the Venn diagram. Look at here. Mm, so okay, this one is a U, here T, tracking, here okay, rafting for safari, okay, or T a little bit, okay, here I have written, okay, or tracking, rafting and forest safari. Now we'll start from this, okay, this data, okay, this thing, okay, we have a got already, right, 35. So here we write down, okay, 35, then okay, we'll start, okay, in backwards direction we start to fill up the data, right? So let's start, okay. First of all, okay, here 35, mm, 35, okay. And now, okay, let's start 35. After this, okay, uh, r intersection, n of r intersection f, okay, this stood 75 we have here, 75. So how much we need, okay, 75 to make 75, okay, 40, okay, 40 plus 35, 75. So completed 75. Now let's move here. N of t intersection f90, t intersection f90. So here 35 is already there. Then how much we need? Okay, I guess 55. Okay, all right. You can check 5 5 plus 10, 5 3 8 90. Okay, now t 90 we have completed. T inter N of t intersection are okay 150. So how much we need? Okay, t intersection of 150. So you can do calculation. Okay, so it's a very simple calculation. 150 minus 35, simply okay, 115, okay, 115 here, 115, right? Just okay, inside this you have to write down. Okay, let me correct it, okay. So let me start from here, okay, 115, right? So it should be inside the, okay, space, inside the boundaries. Okay, now completed, okay, now here up to here, okay, done 150 here. Here complement is 30, so outside, okay, right, outside the circles, inside the mm, rectangle, 30. Now n of f 250, n of f here 250. So let's see how many we have, okay, right? A total, okay, we need 250, right? So out of a 250, 55 here, filled up, 35 here, 40 here. So let's see, okay, how many total. By using the calculator, you can check 55 plus 35, 55 plus 35 plus 40, right? So it's 130 okay, I calculated, okay, to 130. Now we have, okay, total n of f 250. So minus, okay, okay, in 250 minus 130, okay, we have to fill up here 120. Calculation is 120, okay, 120 done, 120. Now okay, f, okay, completed. So n of f, okay, done. Now n of r 300. Now we have to see, okay, total 115, okay, total N of R, okay. So there are 300 members, you can suppose. Out of 300 members, 150 year, 35 year, 40 year. So how much we need here, okay? So let's do calculation, okay? Just you can check 115 plus 35 plus 40. So by using calculator, total, okay, total, okay, comes 190. So what, subtract the 190 from 300. So okay, so you get, okay, 110. So it's 110. Now here write down 110. So easy, not so difficult, but very important question. So N of T 400. So similarly, you can see 115 year, 35 year, 50 year. This is the, okay, area for N of T means, okay, for T, this is the area of T. Here inside the number of members will be equal to N of T, should be equal to N of T. Also 55, 35, 115, okay, already there. So how much, okay, we need here, you can total is 450. So all right, so let me add, okay, 115, 115 plus 35 plus 55. So it's 205, and here you need to subtract 205 from, okay, 450, 450, and here you will get 245, okay, 245, 245. So I guess you understood, we have done, so completed. So this way you can fill up the Venn diagram, right? So this is the second part of the equation. So we have no problem, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Uh, Thanks a lot, everybody. Mm, Thanks a lot, everybody. Okay. So don't forget to share, and if you have not, okay, subscribe. Or till now, please subscribe and comment, like, whatever you want to do. If you think, okay, it's very useful and you are going to understand from this video, you can do something, okay, in terms of respect, in terms of love. Okay. So all right, thank you very much. Bye bye.